if you work with PDFs a lot, you probably know this problem that editing PDF is still one of the most frustrating things online. You want to change a small piece of text, convert a file, sign a document, or maybe just compress it so you can send it, and suddenly you are jumping between 2 or 3 different sites just to finish one task. And really, it gets annoying really fast. But what if one website could handle all of that in one place? And you know what? That's exactly what Zendocs does. So in this video, I will walk you through the website and show you how you can use it different tools step by step. Alright, so let's get started, and we are inside the Zendocs website. What I like about it is that everything is pretty simple and easy to find. You don't have to install anything, and most of the tools are right here on the home page. Here you can convert files, edit PDFs, sign documents, compress files, and even extract text from images. So let's start with the basic. Right in the center of the page, you will see this upload box that says drop file here to upload. You can either drag your files into this area or just click upload from your device and select the file from your computer. Well, Zendocs support file up to 100 MB, which should be enough for most PDF. And once your file is uploaded, you can start using any of the tools available here. At the top of the page, you will see a few main sections like convert, edit, forms, and templates. So let's get through them one by one. So first we have the convert section, and this is where you can change files from one format to another. For example, if you have a PDF and you want to edit in Microsoft Word, you can use PDF to Word. For that, just upload your file, let the tool process it, and you will get a Word document that you can edit normally. And there are a few other options here as well. You can convert PDF to Excel, which is useful if your PDF has tables or data that you want to organize. There's also PDF to PowerPoint, which is helpful if you want to turn a PDF presentation into slides you can edit. And if you need images, you can convert PDF to JPEG or PDF to PNG. Well, Zendocs also lets you go the other way around. If you have files like Word documents, Excel sheets, or PowerPoint presentations, you can turn them into PDFs. For example, you can use Word to PDF, Excel to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF. You can also convert JPEG or PNG images into a PDF, and that's really absolutely impressive. And this is really useful if you want to combine images into a document that's easier to share. Another thing I noticed here is supported for HEIC images, but if you use an iPhone, you might have seen this format before, because some platforms don't support HEIC files, so Zendocs let you convert them into JPEG or PNG. That make the images easier to use or upload online. Now this part is actually pretty useful. Zendocs includes OCR tools, which mean it can read text from images. These are options like scan to text and image to text. So for example, if you take a picture of a document or screenshot some text, Zendocs can detect the text inside that image and convert it into editable text. And instead of typing everything again, the tool does it for you. Next we have the edit section, and this is where you can manage or modify your PDFs. And the first tool here is edit PDF. If you upload a document, you can make changes directly inside the file. So if you need to correct something or update a part of the document, you can do it without recreating the whole thing. And there's also a sign PDF option, and this is useful if you need to sign contracts or agreements. You upload your document, place your signature, and download the signed version, and it really takes less than 10 seconds. Also, Zendocs also gives you tools to manage PDFs inside a PDF. For example, if your document has pages you don't need, you can use delete files to remove them. If you have multiple PDF files and want to combine them into one document, you can use merge PDF. There's also merge images, which lets you combine several images into a single file. And if you have a large PDF and only need certain parts, you can use split PDF to break it into smaller files. Another useful feature here is compression. Sometimes PDF files can be too large to send through email or upload to a website. With compressed PDF, Zendocs reduce the file size while keeping the document readable. There's also compressed image, which works the same way but for image files. Zendocs also includes a form section. Here you will find some commonly used forms like Form W4, Form W9, and Form I9. You can open these forms, fill them out, and download them once you are done. There's also a view all forms option if you need more. Another section here is template, and these are ready-made documents you can use if you need them. For example, there are templates like vehicle bill of sale, motorcycle bill of sale, residential lease agreement. You can open one of these templates, fill in the details, and download the completed document. And it's really pretty helpful if you need a quick document and don't want to create one from scratch. So that's basically how Zendocs works. Simple tool, but it's bring together a lot of useful features in one place. You can convert files, edit PDF, extract text from image, sign documents, and compress files without switching between different websites. So if you work with documents regularly, tools like this can definitely save you some time. And if you want to try Zendocs yourself, you can check the link in the description. So that's for today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and that like button for more tools like this. Thanks for watching, and I will will see you in this next one. And again, link of Zendocs in the description. Don't forget to go and try it out.